This is traffic ticket defense attorney Michael Beer. I'm home today because it's a snow day outside, so you can guess that it's February 1st. And we're having a blizzard here in New York, so I'm working from home today. And I'm here to give you some great information about speeding tickets. Why are there so many different speeding laws in New York City? Well, let's first start out with the general rule that in New York City, there is no speed limit higher than 25 unless otherwise posted. Let me repeat that again. There is no speed limit in New York City that is higher than 25 unless there is a sign that allows it to be higher than 25. So that means in a location where there is no sign, the highest speed limit is 25. So if you see a sign that says 25, that's still the maximum speed limit that's allowed at that location, but it's also the default speed limit in New York City. There is also no speed limit in New York City that is higher than 50 anywhere. So when there is a sign, the highest the speed limit is going to be in New York City is 50. There's no 55 or 65 like there are in other places in New York State. The maximum posted speed limit in New York City will only be 50. So if you see a zone that has a 40 or a 30 or a 35 or a 50, there has to be a sign that allows that. Otherwise, it's an unposted zone. And there are basically two different laws that relate to speed tickets like this. One is the city law that says that the unposted limit is 25. It used to be 30, but now it's 25. And the state law that discusses posted zone as well as the city law that discusses posted zone. There's also a speed law called unreasonable or imprudent speed. And this law discusses what happens if you're driving down the street even below the speed limit. It's raining, there's pedestrians, so you have to drive at a speed that is reasonable and prudent under the circumstances. The officer can even say, I don't know how fast you were driving. You just were driving too fast under the circumstances. That's called an unreasonable, imprudent speed. Now, in terms of consequences, speeding tickets have multiple different consequences. They have points, and the points go in 10-mile intervals. So 1 to 10 is 3 points, 11 to 20 is 4 points, 21 to 30 is 6 points, 31 to 40 is 8 points, and more than 40 or 41 plus is 11 points. And you can get suspended when you reach 11. There is also fines and assessments. Depending on when you reach 6 or more points, those assessments might kick in. So please watch for signs or the lack of signs in determining how fast you can go, but never go more than 50 in New York City, anywhere where there is a sign that is posted, because that's the maximum limit, but the default limit in New York City is 25. This is Michael Beer. Have a great day, and nice talking to you. And contact me at beerlawoffice@gmail.com. Ask at trafficticketprofessor.com or 516-569-4107. Thanks, and have a great day.